Hello, everyone. Welcome to another wonderful time together. I want to use the opportunity to thank all our subscribers and people that have been commenting. We're so happy to have you. And this moment, we are going to look at another question, and that has to do with stoichiometric. What we have here says the question says um, 5 gram of a solid mixture containing sodium chloride is dissolved in water and treated with excess excess of silver nitrates, resulting in precipitation of 1.2.1 grams of silver chloride. The question said, what percentage of the mixture was silver chloride? So what percentage of the mixture was silver chloride? So we have the sodium relative atomic mass of sodium and nitrogen, chlorine, and silver there. The chemical equation is there already. If you look at the chemical equation, you can see that according to stoichiometric coefficient of this reaction, you find out that this one sodium chloride is 1 mole and silver chloride is 1 mole. So that is the main thing we are looking at. We are looking at the relationship between this, the mass of this and the mass of that. So from this equation, you know that the reacting mass of sodium here is the same thing as the relative atomic mass of sodium chloride. So the relative atomic mass of sodium chloride here should be 23 plus that will give us 8.5 grams. This was 58.5 grams. So that's what we have there. And then we come over to this place, we find out the reacting mass in this chemical equation here altogether is also, we come here, we look at silver plus chlorine. That will give us, this will give us 0.5, that one will give us 3, and this one will give us 4, and this one, that means grams. That is what it means that, what it means here is that 58.5 grams of sodium chloride will give us 143.5 grams of silver nitrate. So, but in this equation, in this question, we want to find out how many grams of sodium chloride that will give us this. That's what we're looking at now. And whatever gram that will give us this is exactly what has gone out of this mixture. That's exactly what has gone out of that, because say that percentage of the mixture was this. So that's what it means. So what we're going to do now is to look at we know that let's keep it here. 5 grams is the mass of the mixture. All right. So now what it means is that this 143 grams of silver chloride will require 58.5 grams of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, yes, or sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. All right. The next thing is that then 21 2.1 grams of this will then be equal to 58.5 over 58.5 over 143.5 times 2.1 over 1. So then what we have will be 0.86 grams. 0.86 grams of sodium. 0.86 gram of what? Of sodium chloride will give us 2.1 gram of silver chloride. So then now we know that the mass of the mixture is equal to 5 grams. That means for us to produce 2.1 gram of silver chloride, excuse me, silver chloride means that we need 0.86 grams of sodium chloride. That means this is the mass of this mixture that's combined to give us what we have here. So in that case, the percentage, look at the percentage of the percentage mass of that will then be equal to over 5 times 100 times 100 over 1. So we'll have 17.1%. 17.1%. That is the mixture. That's the percentage of the mixture. 17.1% of the mixture gave us that silver chloride that we have. Alright, thank you so much for being a part of the class today. I want you to, if you have not subscribed, you subscribe. And then you can share, like. I'm so happy to hear from you. Thank you so much.